I'm always on the hunt for a solid free VPN for Windows, and in 2025, a few names keep popping up, and for good reasons. Let me walk you through what's been working really well. First up, Privado VPN Free. This one stands out. You get 10 gigabytes of data per month, fast connections, and the freedom to stream to your heart's content, all without spending a dime. It's user-friendly and plays nicely with most streaming sites. Then there's Proton VPN Free, a real beast when it comes to privacy and longevity. You get unlimited data, strong security thanks to a no logs policy, and the peace of mind of Swiss privacy laws. The only trade-off? Fewer server locations and sometimes slower speeds during peak hours. If you're into convenience with a generous data limit, Windscribe Free is super popular. You get about 10 gigabytes per month, an ad blocker, split tunneling, and more than 10 server locations to choose from. It's a rich free tier, even if the interface isn't the slickest. For high security fans who want flexibility, Hide.me Free delivers. You get unlimited data, protocol choices like WireGuard or OpenVPN, a real kill switch, and split tunneling. It's powerful, though it can feel a bit clunky to use and static in speed, depending on server load. Let's not forget the playful one, TunnelBear Free, a charming interface, solid encryption, servers in nearly 50 countries, and a modest 2 gigabytes per month. It's light and trustworthy, perfect if you only need it for quick tasks. Reddit discussions echo what the experts say. One user says about Windscribe, the 10 gigabyte free limit is actually usable, and the speeds are solid compared to other free VPNs I've tried. Windscribe has been the best free VPN for me so far. Others praise Proton VPN for never logging data and for how it just works reliably. So what's the bottom line? If you're streaming on a budget, Privado VPN Free is a great starting point. Need unlimited data and top-notch privacy? Go with Proton VPN Free. Want features and control? Try Windscribe Free. Love advanced config options? Hide.me Free delivers. And if you just want something easy and cute, TunnelBear Free is hard to beat. Just remember, all free VPNs have limits, data caps, fewer servers, or slower speeds. But for casual browsing, light streaming, or testing things out, they're solid picks.